We are Annabeth and Henry, and we are building the Redford floor plan.
Redford 3.
Redford 3, that's right, because we liked the expanded porch.
The people we've gotten to work with.
Right, from the sales associate, sales manager, to the design studio people. They've held our hand, I think, put up with frustrations, or when I've gotten frustrated. So yeah, definitely the people. We did look at several other builders because there were some available in our neighborhood that we had picked. Yeah, gosh, we looked through 3 or 4 or 5.
Yeah,
different
several.
builders in the
Shaw
neighborhood.
Shaw Homes had, back to the people again, like working with the people that we saw, the houses they had, the layouts they had set up, the locations they had. Lots of things are better. Our children did a similar with Shaw, and so we'd heard from their experiences and all
But
those things
also, I
played
think
into it.
Shaw Homes seemed to be more willing to make changes to meet the things that we needed to
Make sure we got
have.
what we wanted.
Yeah.
We're going through this process for a reason. We're building a house that we want to have and want to make sure we got our house. Make sure you go see Shaw Homes. They'll be there to help you out. When they tell you to go do something, do your homework.
Yeah, do your
Pay
homework.
attention, go see the models, make lots of notes, understand that it's going to take some time, but you're doing something you're going to have for quite a while in theory, so you want to make sure you get it right. So the questions they ask and the things they make you do, there's a reason for them.
And the other thing that I noticed, because I visited a lot of the models, none of the models that I was interested in, but I wanted to go look at specific things, everybody at the model didn't care that I wasn't there for that model. They understood that I was there to look at specific things, and they were very, very helpful, which didn't surprise me exactly, but it again, the people made me very comfortable in asking lots of questions.
You'll be able to see things that maybe you do want, but you'll see things you don't want. It helps you to
Yeah.
know, I don't want that.
Yeah.
I do want this, but I don't want that. And that's a good thing to know.
There were 2 pictures I took that I actually took the time to write no on them, because I did not want that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it
All
helped.
these things make your process go better.